YouTube video script. I made $3,847 in 30 days using ChatGPT plus this automation, last month. I set up a simple ChatGPT automation that made me almost $4,000 while I slept. And no, this isn't another make money online scheme. I'm literally going to show you my earnings dashboard right now, the exact system I used, and walk you through every single step so you can replicate this starting today. The best part? You don't need any technical skills. You don't need a massive audience. And you can start this with less than $20. I'm going to break down the 3 tools you need, the exact automation workflow, and the one mistake that could kill your results before you even start. So stick around because I'm literally giving away the entire blueprint. Let's get into it. Okay, so before we dive into the step-by-step, let me quickly show you why this works and why now is the perfect time to jump on this. Businesses are desperately looking for ways to automate their content and customer service. But here's the problem. Most business owners don't know how to use ChatGPT effectively. And they definitely don't have time to sit there prompting it all day. That's where you come in. You're going to position yourself as the bridge between AI technology and businesses that need it. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm not a tech expert. Trust me, neither am I. 6 weeks ago, I barely knew what an API was. But this system is so simple that if you can copy and paste, you can do this. Alright, let me show you the big picture first. Then we'll break down each component. Here's how this works in 3 simple steps. Number 1, you're going to identify businesses that need automated content. And I'm going to show you exactly which types of businesses to target. Number 2, you set up a ChatGPT automation that creates content for them automatically. This takes about 30 minutes per client. Number 3, you charge them a monthly retainer fee. My average client pays me $127 per month. And the automation runs completely hands-free. Do the math, that's 30 clients at roughly $127 each. Which gets you to that $3,800 mark. And here's the crazy part. Each automation takes me maybe 30 minutes to set up. And then I spend about 10 minutes per month on maintenance. That's it. Okay. Step 1. Finding the right businesses to target. This is crucial because not every business is a good fit for this. You want to target businesses that need consistent, regular content but don't have the time or resources to create it themselves. Here are my top 3 niches that convert like crazy. Number 1. Real estate agents. These people need constant social media posts, property descriptions, and email newsletters. They have money. They understand the value of marketing. And they're always busy. Number 2. Local service businesses. Think plumbers, electricians, HVAC companies. They need Google business posts, social media content, and blog articles for SEO. But they're out in the field all day. Number 3. E-commerce stores. Product descriptions, email campaigns, social media posts. They need tons of content and they're already comfortable paying for automation. Now here's the key. You want to target businesses that are already established and making money. But they're not big enough to have a full marketing team. That sweet spot is usually businesses doing between $200,000 and $2 million in annual revenue. And before you ask, yes, I'm going to show you exactly how to reach out to these businesses. But first, you need to understand the automation system you're selling them. Alright, step 2, the tools that make this whole system work. You need exactly 3 tools. And the total cost is less than $20 per month to get started. Tool number 1, ChatGPT Plus. This is $20 per month. And you need the paid version because you're going to use the API. Don't worry, I'll explain what that means in a second. Tool number 2. Make.com. This is the automation platform that connects everything together. They have a free plan that gives you 1,000 operations per month, which is enough to handle your first 5 to 10 clients. After that, it's $9 per month. Tool number 3. A content scheduling tool. I use Buffer because it's simple and it's free for up to 3 social profiles. Once you scale up, you can upgrade or pass the cost to your clients. That's it. 3 tools. Under $20 to start. Now let me show you how to